What do singing contestants in China do when they don't make it to the next round? We explore, of course. Welcome to episode 4, where the contest ends and the adventure actually gets even better. Oh, yesterday, so after the competition, accept ko na naman na hindi ako part of the top 12. And it's really okay. Kasi the top 12, wala silang time to sightsee. Ang ano nila is they rehearse right away and they have to learn a new song that they compete as a group and they have to compete with one another pa. Marami pang ano, etc. etc. Pero ako, tour na! Tapos, get to rest, get to chill. So, in a way, parang the Lord gave me the best plan. I got to compete and challenge myself and push myself to be better. But at the same time, I have chill time and travel time and time to reflect. So, talagang ang galing ni Lord, diba? His plan is really perfect. In a while, we're gonna go out to sightsee. Ang mga tours na pupuntahan namin, these are all sponsored. So, they will still shoot us to see how we enjoy the place, to akit other tourists in.
这一块呢叫做马洋溪生态旅游区，这边的环境是很好的。这一带马洋溪的话呢，是整个长泰县呢最好的环境最好的一个地方。
Going to sightsee a place na parang leisurely binivisit nila na maraming pieshu or mga villas where old Fujian people buy. They retire here.
We are now in this place. It's like a garden or something. And we're walking around and we can smell
The flowers?
the flowers.
Oh yeah.
Flower path, I guess. And I think it'll be really nice during springtime when all the flowers are blooming.
Riding their electric car to go around.
Nice, I think this field is very nice.
There are different stations. Wetland station, Green Valley station. Trying out the giant slide. So we are now in a place where they make guqin. It looks nice here. 坚定文化自信走进古琴世界. Nice, I can read. Everybody is enjoying the museum.
那嵇康呢，相传他擅长于演奏广陵散。福建地区的琴家有福建漳浦的黄道周。
Here's a short excerpt of the guqin performance. I was so impressed, I even asked for a photo together. I'm back at my hotel room. Hindi na ako sumama noong hapon. Afternoon, they will go to another agricultural tour. Nagpa-laundry na ako, number 1. And then number 2, nakabili ako ng some stuff sa Meituan. Though I do not have a Chinese number, I just went to the front desk and they helped me input their Chinese number. Their cellphone, the cellphone of the front desk, the hotels. Tapos, deliver nilang dito. Idediretso raw sa room ko. So convenient! Yun lang. Lunch and dinner were both in the hotel. Meal times were my favorite because I got to mingle and meet new friends from different countries. Si Jimmy, umalis. Naglakwatsa tonight. Tapos binilhan niya ako pasalubong. Yes! Mayroon akong milk tea, chagi, and this yummy dessert that smells awful. Hindi ko alam kung yummy, but this is durian! Durian! I'll try it. Ang baho! Today, we check out na. Actually, tinawagan na nga ako. In 5 minutes, gonna have lunch and then check out. And then travel to another hotel where we will stay for maybe 2 to 3 nights pa. So we're now here in this hotel. 903. Oh, there's bathtub. It's here. Wow! And that's the sea. Wow. In the afternoon, it was free time, so we headed to a nearby mall. There they are. Say hello. Yeah. That evening, we met up with Phil's college friend, Jenny, and her husband. Jenny is also a Chinese-Filipino who married a local Chinese, and they now live just a few blocks from our hotel. They brought us to Shifengyan, basically a hilltop hangout spot where locals go to chill. The next day, the local government toured us around, taking us to hidden spots, off the beaten path places, and giving us a glimpse of how much their town has developed. This was where we really got to interact with fellow contestants and build new friendships. We visited so many places. Some I walked through, some I didn't, but I enjoyed posing for photos everywhere. After a quick lunch, we toured even more places in the afternoon. The tour wasn't in-depth, more of a photo op and promotional visit, but I appreciate being part of something that helps boost their local tourism. I honestly felt like an ambassador representing the Chinese-Filipino community, seeing firsthand how much the land of my ancestors has improved. We visited traditional villages and old homes. We even saw a local dice game setup, the same game we play in the Philippines during the Mid-Autumn Festival. And by chance, we met a local who personally toured us around his own house. That night, I went out with my new Malaysian friend Yumiko. She checked Xiaohongshu for recommendations, and this massage place came highly rated. It was pricey, but mostly because the package included a buffet meal. And since we were already there, napasubo na kami. The massage was good though, and to make sure we got our money's worth, we enjoyed a very generous midnight snack afterward. The next day, I decided to rest the whole day. Literally ate, slept, and walked around the neighborhood a bit. Tomorrow, we will be checking out and visiting another place. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pagkaka-understand ko But apparently, in Fujian itself, they have 1,500 cities or different towns already, and Haitang is just one of them. And when I was chatting with Jenny the other night, she told me Hokkien dialect is really not accurate because in the entire Hokkien or Fujian, marami rin siyang sub-dialect, and Banlam Ue or Minnan yun yung tama. So if we say Kong Hokkien Ue, Fujian Hua, hindi siya tama. Our shout out parate is 让闽南文化光耀全球. So we are promoting the Minnan culture But here, nobody speaks the Minnan dialect. Everybody we talk to when we go outside, lahat, we're all speaking Mandarin. Minnan is really a subgroup, but I also want to help preserve that culture because dito ko talaga na-realize I'm part of a bigger ancestry pala. Kasi syempre, na kami, diba? Third generation na kami in Manila. I grew up thinking I'm Chinese-Filipino, that I don't have, upper ancestors, unlike the Jews, that you can trace who they came from. But getting into this contest, knowing na a lot of countries are also from here, from Minnan, or from this area, and they also speak Minanhua at home. I can relate na parang, pare-pareho pala tayo. At tapos nakaka-proud na yung ancestry ko, hindi lang Chinoy, but also I belong to a bigger community which are overseas Minnan Chinese. Parang wow! Di ba amazing yon? Suddenly, a whole new world opened up. Naiyak na naman ako.
Tomorrow, we check out and move to another town, another hotel, and that's where the finals will happen. Will I feel a hint of envy? Will it get awkward around the winners? We'll find out together in the next episode. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for episode 5.